Here I have LG K8 2018 and let me show you how to accomplish here inserting Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's remove the back cover by using the following cavity right here. And now you can also insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. Here you can also use the second Nano SIM card. So let me start with the first Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and here let's insert the micro SD. Alright, now you can close the back cover protection. You can use the SD card right now, but in order to use the micro Nano SIM card, let's restart the phone. Tap restart. Alright, now you can unlock the phone and start using your device, and you can also start using your micro SD and Nano SIM card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.